In this video, we'll learn to subtract numbers, whole numbers. So I'm going to start with a simple calculation to do. So if I have 56 and I want to take away 37 from it. So there is 56. 5 bars of 10 cubes each. And then we have the 6 small cubes as well. And I'm going to take away, as we said, 37. So I'm trying to take away 7 from the 6. Can I take away 7 cubes from this? No, I can't, because there wouldn't be enough. So for that reason, I'm going to borrow 1 from these. So this now is a 4. Which, if you look at this, that means borrowing 1 from that, which becomes a 4, and this becomes 16. As you can see, 10 and the 6 makes 16. So if I take away 7 now, so I've got 6 already here, take away another one, what am I left with? I'm left with 9. And I've got 4 here, 4 lots of 10, and I take away 3 of them. So 1, 2, 3. What am I left with is just 1 of them. And then we have 10 and the 9, which makes 19. Let's try with some other numbers. 4,283 take away 468. So I need to take away 8 from the 3, which means I need to borrow 1. So I can borrow 1 from the 8, which becomes a 7 and gives this a lot of 10, which makes it 13. So 13 take away 8 leaves me with 5. Now 7 take away 6 leaves me with 1. Now we've got 2 where we need to take away from 7. So I'm going to have to borrow 1 from this, and this becomes 12. So 12 take away 4 gives me 8. So 12 take away 4 gives me 8. 3 take away none or 0 gives me 3. Let's try another one. 405 take away 366. So we've got to take away 6 from the 5, which means we need to borrow. But looking at the digit next to the 5, it is a 0, so we can't borrow anything from it. For that reason, we're going to have to borrow 1 from the hundreds, making that a 3. So 100 is equal to 10 tens. Now I can borrow from the tens, which means this becomes 15. Take away the 6 leaves me with 9. 9 take away 6 leaves me with 3. 3 take away 3 leaves me with 0. So 39 would be the answer. Let's try another one. What if we had 400 take away 389? So we're trying to take away 9 from the 0, which means we need to borrow. So we can't borrow from the 0 here, but we can borrow from the 4, making it 3. This becomes 10. Now I can borrow 1 from the tens, making it 9, and the units become 10. So 10 take away 9 leaves me with 1. 9 take away 8 leaves me with 1. 3 take away 3 is 0. Let's try with some larger numbers as well. So I'll pick some very random numbers. So 9 take away 3 gives us 6. Now we've got to take away 8 from the 0, meaning we need to borrow. So this becomes 10, take away 8 leaves me with 2. 7 take away 7 is 0. 0 take away 0 is 0. 4 take away 1 is 3. Let's do another one. So 40,001 take away 1,200. So 4,001 take away, let's do this once more. So 40,001 take away 13,894. So we need to take away 4 from the 1, which means we need to borrow. But we can't borrow from this, from that, or from that. So we're going to borrow 1 from the 4, making it 3. So this becomes a 10. Now we can borrow 1 from that to make it a 10. Repeat the process and give this 1 to make it a 10. Now finally I can borrow 1 from that to make 11. So 11 take away the 4 gives me 7. 9 take away 9 is 0. 9 take away 8 is 1. 9 take away 3 is 6. 3 take away 1 is 2.